Women truly are the heartbeat of the healthcare system, and while doctors and nurses receive the most attention, allied healthcare professionals are the backbone of patient care. From physical and occupational therapy to medical assistants, lab, dental, and surgical techs, these skilled experts ensure patient care runs smoothly, and their roles are essential now more than ever. Pima Medical Institute is helping fill the growing need for allied healthcare professionals, and here at their San Marcos campus, they're preparing the next generation of healthcare professionals who will care for San Diegans throughout the region. Now, Chantal, why are allied healthcare professionals so important to keeping our healthcare system running smoothly?
Well, allied healthcare professionals are the people that work in clinics and hospitals to help them run smoothly. They are our medical assistants, our dental assistants, respiratory therapists, occupational therapy assistants, the list goes on and on. And as the population in San Diego grows and as our population ages, the demand for healthcare workers rises.
Now, with the job market and the rise of AI, a lot of people are looking for work and people are considering a career change. How quickly, realistically, can someone train for a career in healthcare?
Well, the great thing about the programs at Pima Medical Institute is you can finish them in 9 months. So you don't have to go to a 4-year university and earn a degree to work in the medical field. We have programs here that are 9 months long and that will get you to start a new career. It will transform your life. You will be able to help better your life, help better your family's life, and help better your future patients' lives.
And going back to school can feel overwhelming. You have systems designed to support working professionals at any stage of life.
Absolutely. So what we do is we have students come in to meet with our admissions department. They will go over every program with our prospective students, and that includes online programs, our hybrid programs, and our on-ground campus programs. They really get to know those students so that they can figure out which program works with them the best so they can achieve their goals. Once they start school, if there's any bumps in the road and they need some extra help, then myself and Student Services, I work with them, help improve their academics. There might be some challenges that they face outside of school, like transportation or housing or childcare. So I like to think outside the box and come up with solutions for them so that they can successfully come to school and not have to worry about those things. And then we have a great career services department that works with students throughout the program, working on their resume, cover letter, doing mock interviews and professionalism skills, so that when they graduate, they can start their career and they help them find that career.
Now, we're here in this beautiful occupational therapy lab. What do occupational therapy assistants do, and why is this profession so important, especially right now?
Occupational therapy assistants help patients increase their independence in their everyday lives after injuries, surgeries, strokes, developmental challenges. They are going to work to rebuild those underlying skills that patients need in order to be able to perform their dressing, their cooking, their grooming, and even just returning back to work. It's such a rewarding job because you can see the direct impact that your work has on the patient's quality of life.
Now, a lot of us picture occupational therapy happening only in hospitals, but there are a variety of different career paths and settings where these skills are really needed.
Yeah, OTA truly spans throughout all stages of life, from working with children in home setting, working on feeding skills, to aging adults after a hip replacement. We can be found not only in just hospital settings, but we can also be found in rehabilitation clinics and outpatient pediatric centers, schools, skilled nursing facilities, as well as even in patients' homes.
And how do you see AI and technology affecting healthcare careers?
AI and technology have really improved the efficiency of healthcare providers. However, it will never replace human interaction and compassion. That's a necessity to our field.
Get started on your allied healthcare career today. With campuses in San Marcos and Chula Vista, start the process by visiting pmi.edu.